Welcome to my review of the Times Black ICICI Bank credit card. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts and experience with this credit card. The Times Black ICICI card is marketed as a premium offering, providing an array of benefits aimed at frequent travelers and shoppers. Whether it's the lifestyle benefits or the reward points, there's a lot to unpack. So let's get right into it. The first thing to note about the Times Black card is its annual fee. It comes with a high yearly charge, which can be a turnoff for some users, but the perks offered may justify the cost for others. For frequent travelers, or those who like to shop online, the card could be very rewarding. But before you jump into this, let's talk about what you actually get with this card. One of the standout features of the Times Black ICICI credit card is the access to exclusive airport lounges worldwide. This is a benefit that appeals to frequent flyers. The card also offers generous reward points for every purchase you make. These reward points can be redeemed for a variety of products, services, and even flight tickets. However, the point system could be more transparent in terms of how points accumulate and how much value you can get from them. Another feature worth mentioning is the cashback on select categories. If you're someone who spends a lot on dining or travel, this could be a great perk. The cashback rates are decent, but don't expect anything groundbreaking compared to other premium cards in the market. The overall cashback process, though easy to track, could use some improvement in terms of application speed and availability. Now, let's discuss the customer service experience. ICICI Bank has been generally reliable, but there are areas where they could improve. For example, while the customer support team is available, they can sometimes take longer than expected to resolve issues. So if you're someone who needs immediate help, you might want to consider whether that's a potential inconvenience for you. Another downside that some users might encounter is the lack of significant reward categories. While the benefits are great, they don't cover as many everyday purchases as some other cards in the same category. This can make the card less useful for people who prefer a more versatile reward structure. There are also a few caveats when it comes to the credit limit and eligibility. Not everyone will qualify for this card, as ICICI tends to set higher credit standards for premium cards. The credit limit is generally good for those who qualify, but for some, it may not be enough to make the most of the rewards or the benefits the card offers. Now, I've covered most of the important points, but there are many useful links you can find in the description, which provide deeper insights and additional details about how to maximize your use of this card. Make sure to check those out for more information. Overall, the Times Black ICICI Bank credit card is a solid choice if you're looking for premium perks, travel rewards, and a high-end experience. It might not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you're not a frequent traveler or a high spender, but for those who can take advantage of its benefits, it could be a great tool. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Your support means a lot, and I'll be back with more reviews and helpful tips for you. Thanks for watching.